Makeup? Would you wear makeup? If you're a guy, are you gonna wear makeup for a YouTube video? Probably not. Girls are very good at makeup and making their face look flawless, but guys, not so much. Well, maybe sportscasters, yeah, and performers, actors, right? But I can't think of any other man that's gonna put on makeup for videos.
No one is safe.
Oh. Hey, this is Rick. Welcome to VidTech with Rick. Well, let's talk about the elephant in the room. What's that? No, I am not the elephant. So I do not have the best complexion anymore. So I make these YouTube videos and I'm usually okay with how I look. It's just, hey, this is it. But the other day I'm editing these videos and I'm seeing a whole bunch of blotches and splotches and I'm like, oh, can't I even this out? What kind of makeup could I get? This was one of the cheapest. It was only $6 and I'm like, well, this is liquid foundation. I think I can do that. I don't know, maybe a powder. I know nothing about makeup. Now I had a little bit of a mistake yesterday because I tried this lighter color and I wasn't sure which color to get. And this was like clown makeup. Oh, it was just really tough. Well, what do you think? I think it's just too light. I don't think it's gonna do what I want it to do, and I always think it's going to look like makeup. But I said, you know what, I'll try a different color, but look, it looks almost exactly the same, so I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and try to put this on and try to make myself look a little better and cover up some of these blotches and splotches.
And don't it up.
This is e.l.f. It's e.l.f. It says it is Flawless Satin Foundation. This is a satin finish, medium coverage. I don't know what any of these things mean. This is Shell. The one I had yesterday was Snow. Okay, so you can see the rosacea. I've got hereditary stuff going on. And then I've got these things happening. I do product reviews and I've been wearing this hat and it's kind of like, it's not good. Okay, let's go ahead and open this one. This is the Shell. Yeah, I can tell already it's probably too light. It's not really, yeah, it's too light. It's not really blending in. It's only slightly darker than the one I had yesterday, the Snow. If I blend it in underneath my eyes, I don't know how much that's gonna help with my dark circles. Probably not at all. Okay, so this was the shot I was trying to emulate the other day, and I just had red, blotchy face and blah, 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 and it was terrible. Okay, so now with this makeup, first of all, can you tell that there's makeup? Probably. I didn't do a very good job blending. This shade doesn't match my skin very well. But do I look any better than I looked before? And is this something I can work on or even get a better shade? Now I know there's makeup artists out there who are going, what are you doing? Hey, if you're interested in the e.l.f. makeup, there's a product link below. Go to Amazon and check it out for yourself. It's only $6. Who knows, can't hurt, right? Okay, so now this e.l.f. makeup is called Toffee. It's a lot darker and it's giving me the full Donald Trump here, but it's a lot more bronze. This might be too dark for me, but anyway, maybe you can mix and match each of these colors together to give you a more even complexion or whatever. But how does it look? When it was up close, it seemed a little bit too artificial, but when you're far back away, what do you think? Is it looking any better? So if you're doing video production, I invite you to subscribe to VidTech with Rick. We do a lot of product reviews like this that help you with your video productions. So that's e.l.f. makeup. And if you're a guy, would you ever use the e.l.f. makeup? I think it looks pretty good in a distance. And if you're going to do some video productions, would you ever wear makeup if you're a guy doing, just kind of product review videos like I do? So let me know in the comments what you're thinking about makeup, if you would ever wear it, if you would ever try to cover some of your blemishes, or what do you think? Or it just looks silly. All right, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.